my car. It won't work. Like, seriously, see? It got stolen. Like, the engine got stolen. Like, who would steal an engine? Oh, I understand. Yo, Mr. Ramirez. I have no clue what his name is. But, could I get a new engine? No? That's messed up. I gotta go call my friend. Destin. Yo, Dest!
What?
We have a friend coming here, and also there's a tornado. Is coming.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm heading on the airplane right now.
Okay.
Okay, I'm already flying there.
By the way, this person won't even give me a new engine. I might be coming though. I just have to find someone that is Destin. By the way, Destin,
What?
I'm gonna buy a bunch of trees and I'm surrounded.
Okay.
Wait, Lily, you're here.
Yeah, I just came here. Where's Destin?
He's coming soon.
My car broke down.
How about we just go to the tornado and then, Destin, you could meet us there.
No, my car broke down.
I'm getting a car, even though
Let's buy a car and then
I could get the
we
car,
have
Lily.
no money. And then we
I spent all of my money on a new car, okay?
pick him up.
I swear, I just spawned. I swear. I bought a new car on.
Where is it? Where is it?
Let me unlock it. Unlock.
I'm up front.
Okay. Hey, we're going. Are you going towards the tornado?
No. His car broke down, bro.
Oh, forgot.
No, it fixed somehow.
We're going, Lily, okay?
Okay. I'm down.
The tornado is somewhere over there, I swear. I'm just going over there. We could meet Destin, right?
Us.
We're going.
It's by us.
We're gonna have to be driving really fast.
Look, it's right here.
Okay, thank you for showing me the information, though. I could go help you. I will help you, Destin. Destin, where are you?
I'm not here.
Okay, I got the map. Wind directions 50 to 60. I need to just get a probe. We need to go get Dest. I swear, he's not anywhere to be seen. Pull up the map, Lily, and then we need to go get Dest.
Okay, I don't know what to.
Yo, Dest, where are you? Are you by the trees?
Yeah, not like a cactus.
Oh, someone was following us. He just rear-ended us, bro. That's messed up. I think I found you. Destin. Ring, ring, Destin.
Yeah,
I think I found you.
probably. I hope so.
Where are you?
Am I in the trees?
Go back to the gas station. I need a refuel anyways, by the way. No, I just need a refuel. Get out of the car and then just stay right there. Destin, where are you?
My car is driving away without me.
By the way, I have no clue where you are though.
I'm right next to the house.
Which house? Oh, I see you! Yo, Dest!
What?
I see you!
No,
Just follow me. Your car is just driving away without you. By the way, stay at the gas station, Lily. I'm gonna go get this. Yo, Mr. Dad. Keep on going straight. Okay, we're gonna make it there, by the way, because that's in wrong way. No, straight. Yeah, that way. Keep on falling.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
My game is lagging. I'm lagging for real. Lily, why did you leave? We were about to pick you up. Lily, we were gonna drive to the tornado.
Together. I want to cross the grass. I'm the gas station. We're going to the gas station to make the gas guys.
Bro,
My legs hurt. That's why I'm walking real slow. We gonna call drive?
what? I'm already. Lily, you just. Someone just. We're refueling. Okay, go get some road snacks, okay? We need some road snacks, okay?
I'll get some for my car. You get some for your car.
I already refueled anyways. I'm just gonna back it up into the parking. Okay?
Okay, I can grab some snacks. Shop and go. We're being going to the shop and go restaurant. Or I'm at gas station. Well, it costs money. We have no money.
Yeah, let's just go. We already have snacks in the car anyways.
Yeah. Okay, I'll get in my car.
I need to unlock the door. Unlocked.
Oh my god, what is this? Where's my car? Here.
Yours disappeared. Destin. If you're coming in my car, I'm not coming back for you.
Action. Is yours supposed to way?
I'm just gonna. Destin, I'm right. Yeah, right there.
What?
Right here, Destin.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm in.
We're leaving for the tornado.
Oh.
Where's the tornado anyways? I need to check really quick.
Let me checking the map.
I think it's right because that's where I see
Follow
most.
the thing on top.
Okay. Follow the thing on top. It keeps on. It's in a straight line, by the way. So. Oh, it's raining really bad here, Des. Oh my God, it's turning.
It's not the old version, it's the new one. It was made in 2024.
I like the old one though.
Okay. I like the new one.
We're getting onto the highway, so buckle your seats.
Okay.
Pretend you do.
Ching ching.
I'm following the thing on top, and it's raining heavily.
What tornado what do you think it is?
I think it's like an EF3 or whatever. If it's an EF5 or 4,
We're cooked.
yeah,
We're cooked.
the same. Oh, there you are. Where even is the tornado at this point?
I actually don't know.
I'm getting away from it.
It's funny.
We need to check if there's tornado signs, okay? I need to check because look it's so basically the
tornado is...
the like red spots mean that they're actually gonna form, like tornado warnings. It's just raining. No tornadoes yet, okay? No tornadoes. Let's just go into the rain. It feels good, okay? They said they... Hey, I found a new area with there's clouds. Should I go there?
Sure.
Bro, every single word doesn't even have any like signings like of actual tornadoes. I'm gonna go. That's the. Hopefully a tornado forms so I could capture it for views. Let me go grab something from the back really quick. Okay. Turn on my signals. See, you can see right here. Need to grab something. I didn't need anything from there. I'm just looking the clouds. I think they're gonna collide. Warm air and Lily. I think a tornado's gonna form on top of us. I think. There's really dark clouds, and there's white clouds forming. When dark.
Do we stay here?
Look up in the sky, Lily. We need to stay here because look at
Should we stay here or what?
if you want to, if you want to.
No, what if we get cooked? Humanity. Remember, this is real. It's not like a real. It's not like Minecraft.
Bro, Minecraft doesn't have tornadoes though.
Yeah, but you can respawn.
We can't, bro. Buddy, bro. Bro, this ain't Roblox. Hop in.
Hey, now wait a minute.
I
Unlock
unlocked-
the door.
I did. I swear I did. I swear I unlocked my doors are unlocked. I swear, look it. Oh. Lily?
I gotta get my own car.
No, I'll help you, Destin. Wait, we're in the blue area. Destin, I swear. You remember what happened to your last car, okay? My door's unlocked, by the way.
Okay, whatever.
I'm trying to unlock my door. I swear I am. Look it. Wait, let me unlock my door.
Okay, I'm in. Wait, what? I got my other car. I got the car. I can follow you.
We're in the blue area, basically. So, possible tornado.
Bro.
Lily, we're over rainfall. The blue area, that's where we are. I think copycatter. We are too. We're in heavily rain, like literally. Rain, Lily. We're in heavily rain, and I think there's going to be a possible tornado. It's good. If
Yeah.
it's cooked, then we're just driving away. Like I'm driving really fast. I'm just watching a video on my phone. It's called Fast and Furious, the most best.
My car. Screw the car.
There's no tornado at all. Like I swear, there's no tornado that's gonna spawn. There's lightning coming towards us, Destin.
Oh, come on.
But it's forward. Okay, we are in a hurry. Lily got sucked into a tornado, and We just have to leave.
Yeah,
because
our
look
car
it.
got sucked in.
We have no car.
Whoa! Action! Action!
Destin, I'm getting sucked in. Oh. We need to steal these cars.
Got one, Action. Hop in.
You got one?
Yes, I got one.
There's a police car, by the way.
Who cares?
Just drive, I swear.
Are you in? Drive! Drive!
Go away from the tornado where that Lamborghini, Lamborghini are going. Long day of work. We're just getting home. Destin! Now our car won't work. What happened?
Hey, another car.
Bro, I'm driving this time. See, look it, I found another car.
I'm going to drive towards the tornado.
You're so dumb.
Oh! I drive right by. Yeah.
I'm just gonna go home. I don't really. Bro, my car flipped over. Let's see how long we could stay up, okay, guys? Go to the. Bro,
Oh, my car's getting sucked in.
well, get out of there.
This is my way home. I'm trying to go home.
I'm just trying to get a car, okay?
My car.
Oh, I found a car.
Get me out.
Bro, what's happening to the tornado? It was.
Ring, 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 ring.
Yeah.
Ring. I'm getting sucked into the tornado.
No way you're gonna survive that. Oh, there's food here.
I'm still alive.
No way. I need to park my. I'm gonna go here, by the way.
RP my car.
Okay. I'm gonna have to grab millions of this. I gotta go pick up Dest.
I think I'm right next to a gas station.
Gas, get everything. It's all free because no one's here. Get that, a vape, which I have no clue what that is. A glape, a hape, a vape. Ah. Oh my god. I'm driving. I'm sorry, God. I'm sorry. Okay. My car keeps on breaking.
Oh, actually, oh my god. I'm coming for you.
No way, you're Vicky, bro. You just broke my car.
Oh my god.
Justin!
That wasn't it.
Okay, guys, look it. He destroyed my car.
A stranger destroyed his car.
Why is it floating?
Okay, go grab it. Action, let me pick you up.
Bro, you destroyed my car, bro. That was not a stranger.
I'll try to hop in your car.
That was not hopping in my car, bro. I'm at the gas station. I'm leaving. Follow me, Dest.
Oh my god!
Bro, someone hit my car and I just got flew back.
Oh, I'm fixed.
Bro, someone keeps on running into my car.
Ah!
Bro, someone keeps on destroying my car. Destin, Destin, go to a hotel. We need to stay there. Where's your, choose a hotel, any hotel. We're staying there for the last 10 years.
I
Destin!
think I know one. I think I know a town that has no tornadoes. It's called Brookhaven.
Brookhaven sucks. I've been
No,
there.
like the town.
Yeah, I've been to Texas, which is way better.
Well, what's
It has no...
Texas?
Bro. Okay, before I get... Okay, we'll go there. Okay, we made it. I'm just really sad that we didn't get to go. Wait, right, we're in Mexico.
No!
Why do you hate Mexico?
No, because I've never been. Nah, did someone say Verity? They are cheese.
Butter cheese.
Better cheese. Better cheese. Better cheese.
Okay, so me and Justin got to fly back to Texas, and then now we're just entering Texas or Mexico. I have no clue.
This person is like...
We're going to the border, okay?
Okay.
Whoever crashes is a loser. I turned on my lights so I won't look suspicious. So if y'all didn't know, I had a Glock. I have a Glock waiting for the ops. Now I have a Glock for some reason. I'm just gonna be innocent and then terrorize the town. You with me, Dustin? Why?
Fine, I'm in.
Okay. Ow! Someone just shot me to death.
Nah.
You know what? I'm about to kill him.
I'm in Mexico, I think.
I'm about to have these switches on him.
I passed the border.
I'm gonna have to customize my gun, okay?
Somebody's shooting. Okay, let's do this.
These people have switches. People are gonna try to kill me.
They're trying to shoot my car.
I'm about to kill him. Should I snipe him, Destin?
Yes.
I need to get off road really quick. I'm about to shoot him
Okay.
because he got me angry.
No.
I'm about to snipe him, okay? Because he's getting on my nerves. Black Ops. But it's messed up how we get only a little speed, though. I'm about to snipe him. I don't care. I'm about to kill him. You know what? I'm about to do what most people want me to do. I accidentally shot, okay? When we get into Mexico, we're causing massive. You know what? I'm about to be a hero. Never mind. Destin, you want to be a hero with me?
Sure.
You could choose. I'm gonna be border patrol. Yee-hoo! Y'all don't mess with Tex.
Okay.
Destin, I'll make you get out.
I'm just a regular person. Bro, I hate these people. They're like on the road. Stop.
Destin, I'll give you some money, okay?
Okay.
To go get a Glock. You know what? I'm about to kill this fool. Oh my god, do not do that.
Hey! Devin, I did not pay for anything. And I still make it in.
What did Destin even call me for?
Acton, I need
What?
to talk to you.
I just got off work. I'm stressed out. I'm tired. I'm all of that.
Same as I. I don't complain.
Bro, how are you taller than me?
Because I am.
Do you bench press?
Yes, I do.
You don't have any abs though.
So that's it. Okay.
By the way, what did you want me to talk about? Let's just speak around this fireplace.
Let me just turn it on.
Okay, so it could be basically. Okay, what do you want?
Well, there's been people like my friends at like their houses. They wouldn't like. They came in the house and like first they've been in their houses like they're like glued shut. But like they try to open the door, did not work.
Someone's at our house, bro. I swear, someone unlock the door. Unlock the door. Do not. Someone's
trying.
here. Someone's here.
I'm trying. I'm trying
Okay.
to open the door. Wait, no. No. No! We're stuck in our house.
Wait, what?
Oh, it's like the movie The Last House on Netflix.
Well, I
It's a brand new
swear,
movie.
my gun ran out of bullets.
Bye. I haven't used this yet. Bow.
It won't open.
No. These glass-
First of all, we have no snacks.
Hey, I have a refrigerator.
Open it, because you won't make me.
I have like two pieces of
Could you make me your roommate?
Okay. Because you'll be in my house for a couple of years. Mostly for the rest of our lives.
Bro, I swear.
Oh, we got pizza.
Why did you not get any groceries? You only have like only a little. First of all, no one. I want to go to work. I need to go to. I'm gonna call my boss. Ring, ring. Hello? Yeah, so about that, we got locked into our house. That sounds funny. I know it does, but we actually did. I swear we did. We did. We cannot get out.
Elton, come here. Look on
Yeah.
the news.
Bye-bye.
Breaking news.
What?
If you're watching this at home and if you're stuck, well, mostly the whole entire world is cooked. We're all like, we're stuck in our house here forever.
I cannot open it.
But the people outside are cooked. They're dead. Yeah, they're dead. Yes, they're dead. I know.
Switch channel.
Breaking news. If you're watching this at home, you're doomed. Breaking news. Breaking news. Breaking news. Breaking news. Breaking news. This is an ad.
Oh, it's ads. That's what's up.
We can't watch TV. These all channels are breaking news. Breaking news. Breaking news.
Oh no, our house is about to do this.
We got exercise.
Could you be a part of my family now? Aww. We cannot even get any food.
Hey, we got the gym.
I want to turn off the light. Destin, did you forget to pay rent? Why are the lights turning off?
I don't know.
Bro, you forgot to pay rent.
No, I didn't.
You bought this house, but you forgot to pay it.
Maybe I forgot.
Bro!
Hey, we still have the fire pit.
Yeah, we still have the... Oh, I went out.
No! We're trapped in our houses.
Yeah. Bro got locked out of his house.
Well, we're trapped. Okay, so
Oh no.
I need to pay. I need my mail. You're laughing like a dolphin.
I'm not a dolphin.
Well, then why are you laughing like one? Ugh. 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 Ugh.
Might as well just board up the windows.
Yes, mile well.
Why are you boarding up the windows?
Because I want to, because it's my house, buddy. You're trapped in my house. Right here. Oh, we're trapped.
Bro!
What?
We trapped. So funny. Oh, we cannot go outside. She left a package even though it cannot go out there.
I know.
Why you?
Yeah. Her package was boarding up the place for us. No,
You know what?
no.
We might as well gonna have to leave this house.
How? We're trapped in here.
You know what? Bonfire.
Hey. We gotta start a
Oh no, Destin! It's catching on fire.
I want you to grab some.
Destin! It's catching on fire. We don't have a fire extinguisher.
Five more. It's been 5 months. My body changed.
Yeah.
Our body changed.
Oh, look it. I'm still laughing like always.
I want you to fart for me. I want you to.
Oh, we cannot cook the food, Destin.
What? It's been 5 months.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You can't even do one. You've been scrolling on TikTok for a long time.
That's fine.
On TikTok.
5 months. Huh? Finally.
Ugh.
I farted.
Lucas.
My name is Lucas.
Bro, let me say. Oh. 991, what's your emergency? I'm trapped in my house for already 5 months already. Help is on the way.
Oh no!
No!
She's on fire. That's
What the heck?
Destin, everything's catching on fire.
No. 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 What? What happened? What happened? Hey, we're free!
Yay! Come in my house.
Oh no!
What? I just want to chill. Hop in my house.
Okay, Daddy. Bye bye.
Wait, hop in my house.
Hey, we can go swimming.
Hop in my house. I need to talk to you. Sophie.
No! No! No!
How did you walk through it? Could you come in my house?
Fine.
I swear you have to come in my house. The door won't open.
No! I'm not been another 5 months. No!
Listen, there's a flood. Oh no, get upstairs.
No! We need to call the Ghostbusters.
This was your booty bit.
You're sus.
Hey, we cannot jump down.
No.
Oh, but we can play ping pong.
Where's
The flood
peanut butter?
disappeared.
Oh, yay. Let's start everything. Hey,
Bro, what did you see?
what did you do at your house?
We cannot open the door.
We gotta spend another 5 months up
There's zombies.
there. Hey, Red TV is on.
Who's Nana?
Diana is not my
What movie shall we watch?
We should watch Faster than Furious.
Yeah.
Breaking news. Breaking news. Breaking news. Wait, let me do this. Acting freestyle.
Oh no, it malfunctioned. Oh, the TV turned
Wait,
off.
let me do this. It's turning off and on. Off, on, off and on.
Bro, what's happening?
Oh, I don't feel so well. Oh, hey.
I fell down the stairs. My legs don't work. Is there anyone that... why is my face bending the wrong way?
Hey, who's this person?
There's someone in our house?
Yes, they stuck in.
Oh no. Who's Nana?
Your fan. Diana, it's not my lover.
I think I accidentally pooped myself.
What? And I'm Hope.
Oh no, Dustin. What's happening?
I'm Hope.
What's happening?
I don't know. Oh,
Yay, word off. See, word off.
no.
Who's Lilypad?
Hello, my name is Lilypad. I'm your most williest pad in the
Why is
world.
there a fire now? Justin, go down the stairs. Oh no, we cannot go down the stairs. We're gonna have to jump our way through.
What is that?
Dustin, we have a fire extinguisher, but I don't want to use it. Open the door, Hulk. 3. Hey! Our house broke. But okay. Who is following me, bro? Dustin, don't ask.
Oh, what are you? What is this? Boingy, 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 boingy. Whoa! Ew!
Gotta go.
I have so much. Get away this thing! No!
A piggy on the bicycle. Bicycle. Barnacle. Barnacles. Wait, you could add underglow?
Where's underglow?
You do not know what that is?
Oh, I know what's underglow, Daddy.
Bro.
Get this rat away from me.
Destin, join the family. Yeah. Gnarly, dude. I'm going back to my house.
Please turn normal.
Okay. Ah!